I'm so tired of pulling on strings and hoping the machine would turn on. My drill, my sander, my bread nailer, my skill saw, all are battery operated. Why not any of my gardening tools? I think I'm overdue for trying out some battery operated gardening tools as well. And Wild Badger was kind enough to send some my way so I can give them a try. And the best part about it, I get to try out this bad boy as well. I can wait for that. And I have this beautiful log that I will cut open. First, let's try out the multi-tool they sent me. Out with the old, in with the new. Oh, it has actually 2 batteries. Let me get a second. The tools are sponsored by Wild Badger, but the opinion I'm giving is fully mine. It's kind of a funny story when you think back a bit. As I purchased my first gas-operated power tools, I bought them because when I looked for advice, generally I ask people that are older than me. There's just more experience, and they all told me get gas-powered tools. But when you think about it, battery-operated tools have come a long way since, and most people are just stuck in their ways and never even got to try out a new generation of battery-operated power tools. Wow, that's nice. That worked very well. Let's try the trimmer next. Well, I'm in this age group now where I'm exactly this older people now too. And sometimes I get asked for advice. And instead of trying out new things, I was kind of stuck in the, yes, just get gas powered, it's better. But since I had the chance today to try out battery operated tools, let's see how they do. First thing I noticed is how easy they turned on. Next up, there's this branch I'm really wanting to cut. Let's get the pole saw. The sound is kind of strange. It does not sound powerful compared to gas-powered tools, but strangely it cuts with the same ease. Also, it's much lighter and therefore easier to hold. The engine of my gas-powered pole saw always gets so hot so quick, and it's difficult to hold away from the body to not get burned while cutting. No issues here. I really like that. Now, I only use the tool for a short period of time. For larger jobs, you need to buy backup batteries to not run out of juice. The multi-tool comes with 4 different attachments. A trimmer, edger, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and a brush cutter. The only thing I did not like so far is it did not come with chain oil and it needs some, so I had to run to the store to get some before I could use the tools. It would have been nice to have a small package of it included in the set. Okay, that went very well. It's all cleaned up and no hassle of pulling strings. I really like the part a lot. And now we get to the fun part. I get to try out a chainsaw. This is the battery for the multi-tool, and this is the battery for the chainsaw. You see the difference? So you know there's going to be a lot of power in that machine. I can't wait to try it out. Now I have to really apologize for all the sweat spots. It's like 100% humidity in Florida right now, and I'm wearing jeans, so that's not a good combination. But on the other hand, what is a good combination is the chainsaw and me. I really love it. You know what my brain is saying. What can I build out of this? Coasters? I'm really positively surprised with how they performed. Those tools are definitely a good addition to my workshop. Anyways, what kind of wood is this? Does anybody know? Let me know in the comments below, because I have no clue. It does have somewhat of a walnut look, but there's no way that it's walnut. What am I gonna build with all the wood from the log? Follow along my channel to find out. If you have a good idea what to build out of it, let me know in the comments below. See you on Friday. Tschüss!